Hello everybody, welcome back to another episode of How to Build. Today I am going to build a monster truck. Stay tuned. Welcome back everybody. Now these parts here, I'm going to build a monster truck. Well, let's get into this. Right now first, I am getting a 4x8 plate. And I'm just going to put one of these 2x4 bricks, like so. Getting two of them. And this is what we got there. And we'll put one like so. Another one. All three of them. Then we'll get me a 1x4 brick. And like that. We kind of got the body right there. See? I'm going to put a double snotted brick. Remind you, y'all can use different colors. You can make colors. This is the color I chose. But yeah, we got too much out here, don't we? We'll move it over. But kind of like that. Two snot. Now I got these other snot bricks that I'm going to put right here. And one right here. Okay. Awesome. I'm going to grab this little grill piece. Put it right there. And a little clear clear dot or disc piece. And put it right here. Just like that. Just like that. Got headlights, right? Ooh. I'm going to put this 4x4 plate on top of it, just like so. And I'm going to put the glass pieces on like so. I got two. Hold on, no. See, I almost messed up. I'm going to grab me a 2x4 plate and put it behind it, just like that. Then I'm going to put these on. Just like so. You can get another 1x4 brick, but I just grab these just a two studded brick and put it right here, just like that. I'm trying to get this light for you where it ain't that bad and you can still see. Yeah, just like that. There's a lot better right there. Just like that. And we have 2x4. Put it on top for the cab. See, we got the body basically of the truck. I'm using another 2x4 plate or a brick for like the shocks. And we'll put one on. You can offset it a little bit if you want. Just like that. And just like that right there. Now I got these axle pieces. Put them on just like that. Of course, we put the wheels on. Oop, got backwards. I figured, I just noticed that tire's different, but hey, it's okay. Actually, I don't like that there. I'll go ahead and put that on the back there. And right there, we got the classic build monster truck. I like that right there better. It looks more even out that way. Yep, you can build these out of the classic bricks. You know, you can get tires and wheels from different places. But you can make your own creations. But yep, this is how I build my monster truck out of Lego. And yep, if you guys like this, please hit that like button below. Leave me a comment. Let me know what y'all think. And please subscribe to me for more Lego content if you like it. You know, but hey, all I want to do is a vroom, 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 and a boom, boom. Shake the rim. Anyway, I won't sing no more. Probably it. Anyway, remember y'all, cooking ain't easy, but it's fun. Until next time.